cutting fresh fruit. I'm gonna cut watermelon, mango, pineapple, and I'm gonna make Mexican fresh fruit, cut fresh fruit with lime, salt, and pepper. I have this ingredient here I'm gonna use. I fell in love with this fruit when I was in California. The first time I was in California was in Carmel by the sea, and I stopped in Monterey. I have a friend in Monterey. She came home with a cup of fresh fruit and a spice inside the cup, and I said, what is that? She said, fresh cut fruit, and I tried and I fell in love with the fruit. I was back in California again, in Napa, and I see a lady in the street. It was kind of raining, cold, and she was selling the cut fresh fruit. I get out of the car quickly, find a place to park, and I said, oh my God, in the rain, in the cold. And she said, yeah. I said, how this called? What's the name of this? She said, Mexican cut fresh fruit with any kind of spice you want. But I love the fruit, and every time I pass by I was stopping and buy the fruit because I love it. And now I make it at home. So much, now we stay in home a lot because all the stuff is going on. It's a very healthy snack for having a refrigerator. For if you have a kids or for yourself. Sometimes I want to go in a refrigerator in the middle of the day, snack and something. This wonderful snack and very good. Watermelon is peeled. Now I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna be cutting the pineapple, the mango, and I'm gonna mix all the fruit together. And maybe a cucumber. I like cucumber too. My cup of fruit, fresh fruit, and this is the spice.